I think that it's not just me saying that. I think many people are saying that, and I feel like there's a moment happening at the moment where we're suddenly realizing how great the cuisine is. I mean, it's always like a shock to me when people don't think that otter is the best and nama is the best and all those beautiful crops and those beautiful dishes. On Saturday, I took Henry to the market in Suva, and he couldn't believe it. He's never seen a food market like that. And it just makes me realize we take these quote-unquote ordinary things for granted, and they provide a health solution, a climate solution, an economic solution, potentially. So, yeah, my whole job is to, revive these indigenous food systems for the modern era. It's a couple of things. One is that it's almost like we've been brainwashed to think that everything from overseas is better, and clearly it's not. I mean, why do people come here if that's the case? And then the marketing from the processed food companies is just really big budgets targeted towards people who, as truth, often marketed as truth. So there's those two things that we're working against. The reason I chose entertainment is because it was setting up an alternate conversation in a similar space. Like it's a audio-visual thing. So it's a big question, and it's hard to answer in one sentence, but I think it's really important that we have people like Jenny Burke leading regenerative tourism and hospitality in Fiji, and I would say we should all watch what she has to do in the next few years. But then there's just everyone and their everyday choice in their kitchen and their home is, man, we got the best food in the world. Yeah. It's going to take multiple partnerships with a similar intention to make this happen, and that's the point the Pacific Island Food Revolution is at now, is developing those partnerships. People know what we do, they see the social opportunity, they see that people want to be involved. The Asia Foundation, UNICEF, US Embassy, University of the South Pacific, we're all starting to talk together. So I see the revolution not just happening in people, but also institutionally, and it's a great point to be at. I wish it would happen in 20 seconds, of course, but I mean, I don't know how to talk to that. I mean, I've never been a fast food person, and I love coming to Fiji and eating from the market, so I don't understand why anyone would choose differently, but I do recognize the machines at play that make that happen. Yeah. Just really appreciate the opportunity to be working with Henry Obispo, who's developed these amazing models in the Bronx that are very relevant to Fiji, and let's see what we do moving forward. It would have to be through many consultations and, as Henry says, listening to the community and see what resonates. I would never do something from outside and bring it in. Yeah.